Following the earlier video showing the lights at Newstead Abbey gates continually going on and off, I see today, a couple of weeks or so afterwards, that the lights have been removed. Temporarily, of course. As it says, it's road traffic signal maintenance, it says. It also warns pedestrians to take care when crossing. That's what that sign says there. Cross with care. So whether my video had an effect and somebody noticed it, or more likely it's just routine maintenance, I don't know. But anyway, there we are. No traffic lights. Monday, 8th of October 2012. Not 2012, 20.